Alright. Jeez, I'm gonna leave right now. We had a good time together, but I want to break up. Goodbye, friend. I'll see you next Tuesday. And I'll see you, next millennium. Next million years, whatever. Alright, we finally arrived on the spot, guys. You know what, yeah. Sorry, I got a message on my phone, but if you can smash the like goal on this video to 500,000 subscribers, I will go back into that cave. Alright, guys. We're here at the cave that we found yesterday, and we're gonna go in it. Alright, now we're going to go into the cave, and we're gonna see what we can find. Oh, wrong cave. Alright. This is the cave. Looks like we found some coal. Nice. Some more coal. Oh boy, I wish I had a pickaxe. Super jump.